Leonard, when should I stop using my credit cards if I'm planning on filing for bankruptcy?
When should you stop using your credit cards if you're thinking of filing for bankruptcy? A good answer is about 60 days. Now, if you're using the credit cards to survive on and you're using them to buy food, clothing, basic necessities under $500 per individual charge, then there's really not going to be a problem as long as you continue to make minimum payments. But typically, what we do is if somebody comes in here and tells us they're thinking of filing for bankruptcy, we just counsel them to stop using their credit cards, stop paying, and stop charging on them because the bankruptcy is just going to wipe them out to zero. So it doesn't really matter at that point. Typically 60 days. What it is the credit card company can challenge a charge that's over $500 as sort of an abuse of the system. So they just don't want you to run and charge up your credit card and then file for bankruptcy. So any charges within 60 days before you file that are in excess of $500 are considered bad faith unless you have a very good reason, like, you have to buy emergency plane tickets to go see somebody who's ill or some kind of medical bill or food. Those things will pass muster. But if you're going to Disneyland, that's going to be a problem. The rest of the credit card will get discharged in the bankruptcy, but the charges within 60 days might survive if the credit card lender objects. Usually that's negotiated away and they usually don't object, but still, typically within 60 days, stop using them, stop paying them.